Today we had a meeting of the Central Executive Committee of the United Democratic Party, the state as a whole. And today we also had the felicitation for two of our leaders who contested in the recently concluded by-election. One is Eugenson Lyngdoh from Burom constituency, who won by a big margin of 4,400 votes. And another is Ashahel, the Shira, who secured about 7,200 votes from Rajapala, which is very encouraging as far as the vote secured is concerned, especially in the Garo sector. Now, apart from this felicitation which we had for these two very important leaders of the UDP, we also deliberate and discuss at length about the strengthening of the party organization at different levels, at the district level, at the constituency level, and also strengthening the organization of the youth wing, the women's wing, and the farmers wing. And in this regard, the members of the Central Executive Committee had agreed that the core committee or the core group of the UDP will sit and deliberate and articulate the views given by the party level leaders at different levels, and to provide the much needed support to all the districts, and to provide the direction as to the strengthening of the party at the district level, at the constituency level, and also the frontal wings of the organization.